Hi everyone, have I got the recipe for you? Today's recipe is coming out of the Sriracha cookbook, and I'll be making devilishly hot deviled eggs. What all goes into the devilishly hot deviled eggs? 12 hard-cooked eggs. I made 16. That gives me room for a few that isn't going to peel very well. 1/3 cup sriracha mayonnaise. I made this, and it also came out of the Sriracha cookbook. I'll leave the recipe and the link down below. 3/4 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and chopped fresh chives for garnish. So let's begin. So take your hard-boiled egg, cut it in half lengthwise, and put the yolk in a bowl. Put the white on a tray. And I'll continue that until all the yolks are in the bowl. All of the yolks are in the bowl. Just smoosh them down. Dave likes his deviled eggs with mustard and Miracle Whip and salt and pepper. And that's it. And my guess, he hated my mom's vinegar deviled eggs, which I grew up eating and I love them. But he hated those, so I'm guessing this will be his second least favorite, but I don't know for sure. He could surprise me. So take your 1/3 cup of sriracha mayonnaise and pour that in there. Take a 3/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and mine's closer to a teaspoon. Pour that in there. Then take your 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and your 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and mix that all together thoroughly. Now they call for you to pipe these with the decorating bag using the star tip to make it nice and fancy. I've never been nice and fancy in my life. So this is just going to be put in with a spoon. I'll just be taking an egg white and a little bit of the sriracha mayo and put it on there like that. So I'll finish that and I'll be right back. So they're all filled. Some are a little bit fuller than other ones. I'll try to give Dave some that isn't too full till he decides whether he likes it or not. Then just take some fresh chives and sprinkle over that. So do you think they look good? I do. You can either serve them right away or cover them up and refrigerate immediately. Dave's not home yet, so I will cover them up and put them in the refrigerator. When he gets home, he can do a taste test. So here are the devilishly hot deviled eggs. Rounding out the meal is smoky barbecue chicken and potato salad. Let's see what Dave thinks. It's the devilishly hot deviled eggs is what you'll be trying.
Hot as in spicy?
Yes. It's got homemade sriracha mayonnaise in it.
Smells like a regular deviled eggs, smell-wise. It takes that a while to kick in, but it kicks in. And it lingers just a little bit.
Do you like it?
It's got a good flavor to it. I don't like stuff that's hot just because it's hot, but if it adds some flavor, I like that and I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.